introing, or am I?
Do you want me to intro you?
No,
I'll intro
Go on
you
then.
So here we are down the flying field, and Jason's got a new interesting project. I've actually got one of these, Jason. This is a Multiplex Heron, right?
It is, yeah.
But you fitted it out with FPV gear and a few other things. So clue up the viewers on what this is all about.
So on here we've got the DJI HD FPV system, which I've just designed and printed a little gimbal and holder for it, so I can look across both wings. A bit of a different place to mount the camera. We normally go for a cockpit view, but this time I've gone on the wing looking down the side of the cockpit, so I hope that it could be quite a nice little aspect to flying.
Just panning, okay?
Just panning, no tilting on this one though, and the reason for that is I ran out of channels on the flight controller.
But I think it would be a bit pointless anyway, to be honest, wouldn't it?
On a glider, yeah. I mean, with the nice thing with the DJI, you've got such a wide viewing angle anyway, you can see the ground anyway, so and I can adjust the angle. I made some adjustment points in there. I've got a Matek F405 wing flight controller in here with GPS as well, so that gives me the ability to have return to home if there was a failure of radio link, or I can loiter. I've got it set up so that it will just hold an altitude and I can just turn, and gives me in the goggles an arrow to which way is home as well, so I don't get disorientated.
That's spaghetti going on there, isn't it? That's a lot of soldering.
There's a lot of wires that went into this system, yeah. So I put everything on quick connects, which you can get these little connectors from our friend George at Formax actually. Yeah. So we'll put a link to these because these are amazing little connectors. If you need to disconnect lots of stuff, you can have it on one connector rather than. So I've done one for the VTX, etc. So it's a bit of spaghetti junction. I'll probably tidy it up, but I just want to fly.
But this is a relatively small glider. You wouldn't want to do it in a smaller glider.
No, it really is. And I've also I've built my own lithium-ion pack in here as well, which is made out of these cells, which is another pack I've built here. The advantage to using lithium-ion in this model is for the same weight as a 2200, I've got a 4200 pack.
More capacity.
So loads more capacity.
Same weight.
Yeah, so including gliding, I expect I'll probably get over an hour of flying with this. So yeah, should be nice. Crossfire receiver up the tail there. So it's the standard Heron, it's not the kit version, so it comes with the motor and speed controller, etc. So yeah, should be good fun.
Alright, so let's chuck it up and let's give those watching a few nice aerial views of our flying field.
Absolutely, yeah, we'll put some onboard footage on for you. So
so down in one piece, and you did an FPV landing.
FPV landing, it's so easy to fly FPV. Next flight I'm going to put my head tracker on. I just had it on a dial this time just because it's maiden. But it's just so relaxing. Just sat down, I sat in my chair, just cruising around.
It's harder work for the spotter. That is me watching you, which you legally have to do.
Absolutely, yeah. So,
line of sight.
Yeah, went up to 400 feet, which is the maximum altitude we're allowed to go to. So you'll see some nice images, hopefully from 400 feet. But just it's just such a relaxing plane to fly, and I really enjoyed it. So I'm looking forward to flying it again and getting it out more. But we'll put a link to all the parts and components in the description below so that you can have a look, and if you want to do it yourself, you can build one up. So there we go.
Thanks, Jason.
No problem.
Great. So look out for this on Essential RC and more projects like it. We're doing quite a lot of head-tracked FPV projects and a lot of other stuff. You typically would not... Ooh, what's going on?
There's a bird trying to attack his bird.
There's a lot of that going on recently, isn't there? He's chasing him. Never a dull moment at this flying club. I've just, well, there's so much screaming going on, I thought I'd better. So yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, then please click the thumbs up for a like, and you might want to subscribe. Click the bell icon for notifications of our future uploads. But Jason, thanks again, mate.
No problem. See you next time.
I look forward to trying this myself. Cheers.